This is a full step-by-step guide on exactly how to cancel your GROK AI subscription. So firstly, go into GROK here as you can see, and then click on your name in the bottom left corner, and then click on settings. Now under settings, click on subscription here as you can see, and then click on manage and click on cancel subscription here. And then you can see it's going to say next billing date, exactly when it is, and you're going to still click on cancel SuperGrok here. And then continue to cancel. Just wait a couple of seconds for it to load here. And then it's going to take us to this page right here. So on this page right here, what you need to do is to just simply click on cancel subscription here as well. As you can see, so just click on cancel subscription. Once again, confirm it here, cancel subscription. And yeah, you can also find click, for example, this doesn't really matter to be honest. And you can see here your subscription should now be canceled, and you can see exactly which day it's going to cancel as well, just so you know. And basically that is exactly how to actually do this.